In Carteret Mobile Park, and we're now receiving delivery of more concrete to finish up the foundation for the house, 2-bedroom, 1-bath at lot O-9. So here comes the truck. Let's try and go through the back. Very muddy area here today, so we have to be super cautious of where we're stepping. So they already poured the foundation of the house. They did the front half separately because we had rain and snow the day that we were pouring. In fact, we had to cancel the order for concrete, too wet. And then today they're doing the patio and the pad for the shed. So what you're seeing here is these white PVC pipes. That's the standard now for sewer and water. And what you see here is what was put in the 1940s and 50s. These clay pipes no longer really are useful or standard practice. It's a big job every time we get a new location. We have to work on the infrastructure and bring it up to date. Interestingly, not all community owners do that. Okay, and now you can see the finished concrete. It's all poured, and this house is ready to go. So this is lot O-9, and next to it will be three more houses just like it at O-10, O-11, and O-12. So O-10 will be available at the end of March, and O-12, wait, I'm getting myself confused. That's O-9, this is O-10, this is available at the end of March. O-11 will be available at the end of April. And then the last one, O-12, will be available in either May or June is what we've been told. So this is our O-row sales area, and this will be O-12. So there you have it. A beautiful new manufactured home here in Carteret Mobile Park in the heart of Middlesex County, close to the turnpike, close to the parkway, and about, I don't know, 20 minutes to New York City. So come join us here in Carteret Mobile Park. Go check out our website and you'll see the process of how to start. I have flyers here that you can pick up, and that'll tell you all about the houses. myhomeincarteret.com.